Here is another popular crochet stitch, track crochet stitch. This one consists of rows of double treble and single crochets that break it up, creating a band. So in order to do this one, chain, meant to say chain, I'll fix that later. That's not very good, is it? Chain any number of stitches plus 1. Okay, and let's begin. Okay, I've started with a chain of 10 plus 1. So we need the plus 1 for this part here because it counts as the first single crochet. So skip that one and we'll single crochet into the next one. And now we just single crochet all the way across. Okay, so we'll start, that's the first row done. And the first row is a wrong side row. So turn it around, start row 2, which will be the right side of the work. And we begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we do a double treble into, not the first one, but the next one. There we go. 1, 2, 3. That's done. 1, 2, 3 into the next one. 1, 2, 3. That's hooking. And we just do that all the way across. Once we have completed that second row, it will look like this. And then you turn the work around, chain 1, that counts as a first single crochet, so we don't need to do that one. And then we simply single crochet across. Just do that across. Okay, so that's row 3 completed. And we just need to do rows 4 and 5, which are exactly the same. Okay, here I've repeated and I've finished the row 3, 4 and 5. And then we turn the work around and we chain 1, 2, 3, 4. We chain 5. And we begin with the double trebles again across. And so repeating from rows 2 to 5 gives us this beautiful pattern. There you have it. I have completed the sample as shown here. It's a really nice stitch. And you know, you could play with this. You don't need to do a double treble. You could just do a treble. You can create the look with a simple double crochet as well. So, you know, you can use anything you like and you can vary it. So that's the beauty of crochet, that there's so many options. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you. Bye.